Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today, I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. A dog looking for a quiet and comfortable place to take a nap jumped into the manger of the ox and lay there on the hay. Sometime later, the ox, returning hungry from his day's work, entered his stall and found the dog in his manger. The dog, in a rage because he had been awakened from his nap, stood up and barked and snapped whenever the ox came near his hay. The ox is a patient beast, but finally he protested. "Dog, if you wanted to eat my dinner, I would have no objection, but you will neither eat it yourself nor let me enjoy it, which strikes me as a very churlish way to act." The name of the story, The Dog in the Manger. And the moral, some begrudge others what they cannot enjoy themselves. The second story. The king of beasts was in an irritable mood. That morning his mate had told him that his breath was most unpleasant. After doing considerable roaring to prove that he was the king, he summoned all his counselors. First he called the sheep. "Friendship," he roared, opening wide his great mouth, "would you say that my breath smells unpleasant?" Believing that the lion wanted an honest answer, the sheep gave it, and the king of beasts bit off her head for a fool. Then he called the wolf and asked him the same question. The wolf, catching sight of the carcass of the sheep, said, "Why, your majesty, you have a breath as sweet as blossoms in the spring." Before he could finish, he had been turned to pieces for a flatterer. At last, the lion called the fox and put the same question to him. The fox gave hollow coughs, then cleared his throat. "Your majesty," he whispered, "truly, I have such a bad cold in the head that I cannot smell at all." The name of the story, The Lion and His 3 Counselors. And the moral, in dangerous times, wise men say nothing.